The cherry tree. A little boy got a cherry seed. He planted it in the garden. Every day, after some days, a small plant grew. The boy protected it from goats and bad weather. Slowly, it became a beautiful cherry tree. One day, the tree gave sweet red cherries. The boy was very happy. He shared the cherries with his family. Nature is our best friend. Moral: good things take time. About the author. Ruskin is a famous Indian author. He lives in Missouri. He writes beautiful stories about nature, children, animals, and friendship. Nature is an important part of his stories. His stories teach kindness and honesty. He has received many awards. What I learned: be patient, never give up, love nature, small things can become great. I love nature. I want to grow more trees in the future. Thank you.